Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have another Instagram tutorial for you guys. This is going to focus on update 30.0. Type allows you to change the font of your text without having to use any third-party applications. An extra perk of this video is that I'm going to show you how to implement GIFs or GIFs into your Instagram stories, just because that happened in a previous update that kind of got lost, and I want to show you guys how to use that. So if you guys want to learn how to use the latest features of Instagram, please stick around and let's get started. So Type is Instagram's latest update, and it allows you to change the font that you use in Instagram stories. You have the options to use Modern, Neon, Typewriter, and Strong. And with these options come colored backgrounds that go paired with the type of style that you will be using for the font. The cool thing about this is that the backgrounds provided are kind of like ombre effects or sometimes solid colors, and you can change the colors according to the font that you want to use. If you guys don't want to use the backgrounds, you can take a picture and then overlay the typed text over it, or you can add a picture from your gallery and overlay the text. And like I talked about, the extra perk is that now you can even decorate your Instagram stories more than beforehand. You can add GIFs or GIFs, however you guys want to pronounce it. There's a lot of options. It just makes everything a lot more fun. So if you guys thought this video was entertaining, helpful, useful in any way, please let me know down below. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. It really helps me out. Click the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. I would really appreciate it. I'm going to start doing shoutouts in my video, and someone actually asked me not too long ago. Thank you for watching my videos, and if you want to be the next shoutout, please go ahead and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at missdashing for both. Go ahead and send me a DM if you have any questions, or send me a tweet. I should reply within a couple of hours because more than likely I will be at work, but I definitely will get back to you. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!